Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo with a bottle of medicine. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I start with his eyes. He is looking at something. His nose, and now I draw his mouth. He looks a little upset. Maybe he is afraid of something. Now I draw his head. He is wearing a hat. He has a bandage around his head. I continue with his body. Like this. He is in a bed. Now let's draw his hand in the corner. He is holding a doctor's bag. And also a very big bottle of medicine with a cross on it. It looks like Pocoyo doesn't want to take the medicine. You have to take a little so you can recover very quickly. Brilliant! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Pocoyo. I use cream for his skin. I color his blue outfit. I left the bandage on his head white. Yellow. I color his bed with this marker. Then I use this for his pillow. Dark blue. I color Ellie's hand with pink. Then I use brown and yellow for the bag. Finally, I color the medicine bottle with light brown. And green. Finally, I add some light purple to the background. Nice! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.